So hello, my dear friends. Now you are watching back feeding bean saw. Then Randy will show you how it works. Then how it useful for furniture manufacturer. So now you can see the back feed already finished, one-time testing. So now we will start how to cutting. Okay, now we can see the machine, and then the back feed now, it will go back to the position. And we can see a lot of the panels already on the lifting table, and then it will lifting. Then there's the air pneumatic. Then we'll show you how many panels then. One time you can use it, so now the panel's already here. And then you can see there's a two black position, then stand up. And then we make the strain. The side will be strain. And then the clamps. Already push the boards into the bean saw. So first you're cutting to finish the edge cutting. And then it will cutting whatever then you can just put this dimension into the computer. Now you're cutting the dimension you need to. Every time it will show you. Because the fetching now is not with the dust, the actions. So every time you finish the cutting, the clamps will push the ball inside it until finished, so now you can see. It's already finished, so the clamps will come back. And then the back saw start cutting. So once finished this ball cutting, the clamps will go back. And then we continue the second same actions. Okay, now the clamps go back to the position, and then the lifting table. The pole's already waiting, so he will lift and up. And then the crayons will push. To 1 pennies. 1 boards into it, and that's the saying. You'll be here. To make it straight, and then we'll go continue. The clamps will clack, the balls go inside the bean saw. And the first is the edge cutting. So all the functions, all the actions is combined. Is continue, so that means the workers, so easily because they only need to wait from the front side. After the cutting, the finished board's already finished. Then the worker just need to be left. The balls. So now the second cutting. And then you will see the final cutting. If the final cutting finish. Let me see, the clamps already push all the panels inside. And he will go back. Once it go back the beam, and so the start happen again. And once the cut finish. The grants. The back feeding will go back to the original position.